Welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh in stock, we have this frozen white Ford Fiesta ST. This is a 2019 model and currently on 52,000 miles. This is the 1.5 litre turbo, 3-cylinder with 200 horsepower. The car currently has 4 keepers on record. This one has the panoramic roof. Which we'll just open now. The panoramic roof was an option that not a lot of people took when the car was new, so it's relatively rare. Inside, we have the half leather, half Alcantara seats made by Recaro. In the infotainment system here we have satellite navigation, DAB radio, and Apple CarPlay on there as well. It's pretty well spec'd. Air conditioning down here. They have front and rear heated screens. Both front seats are heated, as well as heated steering wheel. If you'd like to come for a test drive, or if you have any queries about the car, feel free to call us on 01202 531 077, and that's option 2 for sales. Thanks for watching.